Hmm. He or she is. He or she is. He is. She is. We say ta she. Ta she. He is or she is. We say ta she. So, like 他是我的朋友。He or she is my friend. 朋友 means friend. 朋友 friend. So 他是 he is 我的我 means I. 我的 means mine. 我 means I myself. I. 我的 means mine. 他是 he is or she is my friend. 他是我的朋友。他是我的朋友。He or she is my friend. 他是我的朋友。She is my friend. 他是我的朋友。He is my friend.